Good evening, wonderful person here. I am Santosh, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda College, Mylapur, Chennai. Today we are discussing about the financial services and financial foreign exchange management. Uh, the detailed discussions. We are discussing about the four parts: part one and part two, part three and part four. In part one, financial institutions and financial intermediaries and financial transactions. Part 2, financial instruments, financial securities, financial asset and financial products. Part 3, financial markets. Part 4, financial services and financial inclusions. First, we are discussing about the financial system in India. Overall, in India financial system under the control of Ministry of Finance. In Ministry of Finance, divide the four categories. One is the RBI and SEBI, then third IRDA, and fourth PFRDA. These are the major four items in the total Indian financial system, controlling the Indian financial system. So, RBI in the commercial banks, public sector bank, foreign banks, and private banks, regional rural banks, and major players of UTA and LIC. These are controlled under the control of RBI, and SEBI in the control of capital market. IRDA, insurance companies only dealing with the insurance companies. Other items, the PF related items, the PFRD and the control. Yes. Next one, the financial system. Total the financial system between the lenders and borrowers. The two persons, lenders and borrowers, in between the two persons act as a intermediaries, like as a financial market. In the two persons, the lenders and borrowers, we have discuss about the lenders and borrowers and financial intermediaries in the following slides. The relationship between the lenders and borrowers, in the lenders in the name of individual companies and bankings, and financial intermediaries, bank, insurance companies, pension funds and mutual funds. In financial market, interbank, stock exchanges, money market, bond market, foreign exchanges. In borrowers, individual companies, central government, state government, local government, municipalities, public corporations. These are the borrowers. In between the lenders and borrowers, in center point of the financial market. In the center point financial market players are the financial intermediaries. We have discussed detailedly about the following slides. For financial system deals about the various financial institutions with the financial services, and financial market which enables the individual business and government concern to raise finance, and various instrument issued in the financial market for the purpose of raising financial resources. The various components in the financial system, the major components, the four major components are financial institutions, financial intermediaries. Second one, financial instrument, financial asset, financial product. Third one, financial market. Fourth one, financial service and financial inclusion. These are the financial sector, separate sector in India under the control of the Ministry of Finance, the central government of India. We are discussing about step by step in the following slide. And the financial system, financial institutions, financial intermediaries, financial transactions, and other side the financial instrument, financial securities, financial asset, financial product. And third one, financial market. Fourth one, financial services, including the financial inclusions, and other side the financial incentives. First one, financial institutions. The financial institutions are financial intermediaries. In the financial institutions, banking institutions and non-banking institutions. In the commercial bank, development bank, industrial banks, agriculture financial institutions, investment institutions, state financial institutions, state level institutions, specialized financial institution. Another one is the non-banking financial companies. The financial institution, banking companies, non-banking companies, other side, the payment bank, investment bank, and the specialized bank also. In the banking companies, commercial bank, cooperative banks, and regional rural banks, foreign banks. In non-banking companies, non-banking, non-financial companies. These are the financial institution classifications of banking companies. Banking institutions classified the organized sector, unorganized sector. In organized sector, commercial bank, cooperative bank, regional rural bank, foreign banks. Unorganized sector, indigenous bankers and money lenders. Non-banking financial institutions is the two model followed. One is the non-banking companies, non-banking, non-financial companies, and other side development bank, insurance companies, mutual fund and pension fund. In non-banking companies, chit fund, nidhi companies and financial companies, benefit societies, leasing companies and factoring companies, hire purchase companies also. In non-banking, non-financial companies, joint stock companies on the other side. In non-banking model 2, non-banking companies for organized financial institutions, the development bank of all Indian development financial institutions, state level financial institution, IFCA, ICACI, IDBI, SIDBI, UTI, SFC. These are the organized financial institutions. Unorganized financial institution, non-banking financial companies, NBFCs, non-banking financial institution, NBFI. These are the financial companies for unorganized financial companies like as chick fund or miscellaneous non-banking companies, MNBCs, nidhi companies, mutual benefit financial companies, loan companies, and investment companies, equipment leasing companies, factoring companies, hire purchase financial companies. These are the unorganized financial companies, financial institutions. In India, the major regulatory authority for RBA, regulatory institutions, Reserve Bank of India, including for banking companies, development banks, agricultural financial institution, housing finance, insurance companies, and other side is the non-banking financial institutions. In self-regulatory organization for Association of Mutual Fund, Association of Merchant Bank, Association of Custodial Agents of India, Register Association of India. In SEBI control for mutual fund, merchant banking, stock exchanges, issue of bonus, issue of right shares, stock exchange transactions, demat, and stock holding, stock exchange regulations. These are under the control of SEBI, and IRDA for LIC and GIC, and other area of financial institution in India for registered joint stock companies, company law board, register of chick fund, and enforcement authorities for foreign exchanges. These are other side. In the financial intermediaries and the financial transaction, two major financial transactions: the capital market intermediaries and money market intermediaries. In the capital market intermediaries, long term fund for LIC, money market intermediaries, short term fund for commercial bank activities. The financial intermediaries for organized sector, unorganized sector, organized sector for capital market intermediaries, money market intermediaries, unorganized sector for money lenders, indigenous bank, bankers, traders, lenders, and other areas. In capital market, development bank, insurance bank, UTI, and government funds, government PF. NSE, these are the other area. Non-banking financial companies for hire purchasing, leasing company, investment company, and financial companies. In another part two, the financial instrument and the financial asset. The financial instrument for negotiable instrument, commercial papers, bill of lading, bill of credit, and traveler check, treasury bills. These are the major item the financial instrument. In the financial instrument, the primary securities and secondary securities, direct and secondary, direct, one stock, short-term securities, medium-term securities, and long-term securities also. In popular items for 30 major financial instrument, today's followed the commercial paper, treasury bills, certificate of deposit, and the medium-term convertible bonds, option bonds, uh, debt with equity warranties. These are the major 30 items today followed, and also other classifications we have followed: time period, short term, medium term, and long term oriented. In the ownership based, owner capital, borrowed capital, internal sources and external sources. In the convenience based, security financing, internal financing, international financing, and other sources. In the commercial bank based, loans, overdraft, cash credit, bills purchase and discount, term loans, and other areas. In the letter of credit also, document letter of credit, clean letter of credit, recovery letter of credit, revolving letter of credit, fixed letter of credit, followed in the various items. Another area is the financial asset. The financial asset, marketable asset, non-marketable asset, shares, government securities, bonds, mutual fund, UTA, bearer bonds. These are the marketable asset. And not marketable asset, the bank deposit, PF, LIC, post office certificate. These are the non-marketable asset. In financial market, commodity market, money market, derivatives market, future market, foreign exchange market, cryptocurrency market, spot market, interbank lending market. These are the major item. India followed the stock marketing items. In financial market, capital market, money market, foreign exchange market, government securities market. In capital market, primary market and secondary market. In capital market, under control of SEBI, Bombay Stock Exchanges, National Stock NSE and BSE, over the counter of exchange of India and other stock exchanges. Indian money market, organized money market and also unorganized money market also followed. Foreign exchange market under the control of RBI, authorized dealer, money changes, foreign bankers, importers and exporters. Government securities market, treasury bills and bonds, they have followed the government securities market. And overall the financial market, organized market and also unorganized market. In organized market, capital market and money market. Unorganized market, separate money lenders, indigenous bankers, these are the separate items. In call money market, commercial bank bill, commercial bill market, treasury short term, these are the under the control of money market. Industrial securities market, government securities market, long-term loans, these are the capital market. Another one is the last part in the financial services. The financial services, the continuous services, the Indian financial system after 1990, after new economic policy liberalizations, we are freely moved the financial institutions, financial market, financial instrument use the financial services also. Financial services in two major components we have followed both asset management companies and liability management companies. In asset management companies, leasing company, merchant bankers, issue manager, portfolio manager. In liability management companies, bills, discounting, accepting houses, these are the followed. So we are conclude the final one. We are also discuss the next class financial inclusions, technology, financial ethics, financial social work also another discussion classes. Okay. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.